All right. Hi, welcome to the Sanders Kitchen. I'm Mike.
And I'm Pam, and we are
The Sanders Kitchen. What's going on?
Well, right now it's December 20th, and we are so busy. There's so many things to fix and prepare. We have a huge Christmas Eve party because
It's your birthday.
It's my birthday on Christmas Eve. So anyway, we always have a big Christmas Eve party, and so we have a lot of food and things like that that we have to prepare.
Yep.
But once that's done, and after the Christmas rush is done, right after Christmas, we're gonna start coming back with a bunch of delicious recipes for you for the whole year.
But we do want to say thank you so much for being our supporters. Subscribe to our channel. If you haven't, please subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of recipes coming out.
I know, it's gonna be great.
And
delicious.
they're going to be really good.
So we would love to wish you all a very, very Merry Christmas.
And as
Tiny Tim in the Dickens movie Scrooge always says,
God bless us, everyone. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.